Hello. In today's Ask Pro Driver video, we are going to break down the maneuverability exercise for the Class D driver's test in Ohio. First, let's take a look at the rules for the maneuverability exercise. Your performance is scored based on accuracy and control. Points are deducted for stopping unnecessarily, bumping cones, misjudging stopping distance, or failing to keep the vehicle parallel with the test area. But be careful running over a cone, knocking one down, removing a cone from the course, or performing any unsafe maneuver results in an immediate failure. Let's discuss how to perform the maneuverability exercise. Pull to the first two cones, and the examiner will dictate which side of the center cone you will drive towards. Pull forward. When your side mirrors are even with the two cones, turn the steering wheel in the direction you are instructed to go. This shouldn't be much more than a half turn of the steering wheel. When it looks like the vehicle will clear the center cone, straighten the steering wheel. When your side mirror is even with the center cone, turn the wheel toward the center cone. When the back tires clear the center cone without hitting the center cone, straighten the wheel and continue forward until the vehicle is straight and the rear bumper is parallel with the center cone, then stop. Put the vehicle in reverse. Turn the steering wheel towards the center cone. If you are on the right side of the center cone, look in the right passenger side mirror, or if you are on the left side of the center cone, look in the left driver side mirror. Begin backing. Look for the top cone, left or right side, to appear in the side mirror with a little space between the cone and your tire. Straighten the wheel and continue backing. When your rear tire, depending on which side you're on, can clear the top cone, turn the steering wheel towards that cone. Continue backing, using your mirrors until you are even between the cones on both sides, then straighten the steering wheel. Continue backing until your front bumper is even with the first two cones, and stop to complete the maneuverability exercise. Helpful tips. Don't oversteer. Stop if necessary, reacclimate your surroundings, then continue through maneuverability.